Okay, I think now I'm online. Great. So, hello, my beautiful ladies, first of all, and gentlemen, if there are some here, but of course, more often women are interested in beautification, rejuvenation, natural beauty, etc. But face building, it's a unisex practice, so for men it's also suitable. My name is Jenya Baglyk. I'm founder of JB Face School, and today with this live I'm starting a series of live video which I will make also with the help of my trainers from my team. And in each video we will speak about some specific beauty problem and will offer you solution for it. So I will appreciate if you will share with your friends who might be also interested in this, and like this more people will get access to very efficient and very safe instrument in order to save our natural beauty. So today I will start with such topic. I will tell you about two main reasons of mostly of all beauty problems. Because, for example, when clients coming to me first time for first session, I'm always like making assessment of their face and asking them why you decide to perform the course, what you don't like in your face, what would you like to change, to improve, etc. And often I get a very general answer like I get old, I look bad, I don't like how I look. I'm looking in the mirror and I don't like myself. So very general things, and like I understand that person not satisfied of her appearance anymore, but also she can't like distinguish the exact problems or things or imperfections that she has, and which exactly these things upset her. So of course I'm always, and every trainer from my team start from face assessment. So we assess the face in order to understand what is the problems, and to each problem there is a special key. There is a special solution, and today I want to explain you like basic stuff of face building, of my methodology. It's two main reasons of beauty problems, because I believe that when you understand the reason of your problem, first of all, for you it's easier to solve it, and second of all, you will do all prescribed steps, let's say, with more consciously, and it will be more efficient. At least for my 10 years experience by being face trainer, I see that it's working like this. So all beauty problems we divide on two big groups. It's mimic related problems and age related problems, and now I will explain you a little bit more which each term mean, and will give you example. And also after this video, in the end of this video, I will give you a little homework which you can do, and then share with me results like in comments, and I'm sure that you will understand much more about your face, and already will understand better like in what direction you need to work on yourself. So let's start from the mimic related problems. What does it mean? Mimic related problems such as horizontal lines on your forehead, vertical lines between your eyebrows, crow's feet, so the wrinkles in the outer corner of your eye, nasolabial crease, it's vertical wrinkles above and under your lips, also puppet wrinkles, yeah, which going from the mouth corner down to the jaw. This is most common mimic related problems. And what the specificity of these problems? So basically these problems, they they not connect with the age at all. So what I mean, for example, if I don't have the habit to squeeze my eyebrows, I will never in my life have vertical wrinkle between eyebrows. Even when I will be 60, 70, I will not have this problem. On the other hand, if there is, for example, young girl like 20 years old, but she has this problem, not problem but habit, yeah, she often move her eyebrows to the center, squeezing them. Very soon, like maybe in 1 year, she will start have this vertical wrinkle or 2 wrinkles, which will with age only increase, will become deeper, more pronounced. This is like example of how any mimic problem appear. So basically, all these lines, which I said before, they appear only if you have some specific mimic habit. So for each line on our forehead, or on our face, not only forehead but on our face, for each line there is a specific mimic movement. And when you will understand which movement cause each wrinkle on your face, then for you it will be more understandable, like it will be next step what you need to do or what you shouldn't do in order to avoid this specific line or cries. This is mimic related problems. And second group, it's age related problems. What does that mean? These problems mostly it's related to the ptosis. What is ptosis? Ptosis, it when soft tissues as a skin and our muscles, when they loosen with the time their elasticity and become more sagging, and after this, like, face start going down. What I mean, for example, it's when your eyebrows going down, when your upper eyelids becoming saggy and going lower, when your eyes corners also going down, when your mouth corners going down, when you see that your central part of the face also like losing the shape and going down, becoming more flat, and then you can notice that your jawline become not so well marked. You may start notice, for example, bulldog cheeks, double chin, etc. This is age-related problems, and every person will start having them in a different age. Of course, there is like a common age, very like general age, for example after 40, after like 45, when it's more likely then you will start having them, but some people can start have, for example, them already in 35. Some people will start noticing them like at 50. So of course it's very much depends also on your genetics, on your way of living, on your habits, and etc. This was like introduction. So now you understand what is mimic related problems, what is the age related problems. And of course, when you look at yourself in the mirror and you realize that, oh my god, I look bad, I look worse than I was looking before, I don't like myself anymore, you need to try to calm down, like, and remember what I told you about mimic related problems and age related problems, and try to understand, at least from the beginning, yourself. Of course you can come to classes and then trainer will make like a super professional assessment of your face, but at least from the beginning, even for yourself to understand where you need to go, on what you need to pay more attention, it will be very useful to do. So we like slowly come into the homework which I will offer you, and it will be in this homework will be very useful for you. So what you need to do, look at yourself in the mirror, like very attentively. You can do this for 5-10 minutes. Also, you can assess your photos, for example, from 10 years ago. Now, look at your passport. Sometimes it's very also noticeable, yes, when you was looking like this, and then 10 years pass and you start having some changes in your face. So you need to assess your face, and I would suggest you to go like gradually from the forehead. So first you looking on your forehead, then you looking in your eyes, then you looking on the central part of your face, lips area, nasolabial area, then you assessing your jawline, and also you need to turn on the side, yeah, and see what about angle between your jaw and between your neck, because of course ideally when this angle 90 degrees, yeah, when you start having double chin, this angle becoming bigger. So you looking gradually first forehead, and you assessing what you don't like in this part, because very often not everything, like not all imperfections that you have in your face making you sad, yeah, because sometimes, and it's actually very often happen when, for example, client coming to me and she said, I'm asking like, what you don't like, what would you like to change, what would you like to improve, and she answered me, for example, I don't like wrinkles around my eyes, I don't like double chin, I need to correct this, improve this, but for example, I know that I have nasolabial crease, but about this I don't really care. It doesn't make me upset, it doesn't make me feel less beautiful, and it's also okay, because beauty is first of all very subjective, it's a very subjective thing, and my team and I, our main goal is to help people, to help women to improve the things that you don't like. So if there is some line in your face which you okay with it, which you like it, we don't have any problem with it, and we will help you to correct only the things that you don't like. So you assess each of your zone like gradually, and I would advise you to take like piece of paper and divide it on two, and here you write in like mimic wrinkles, here mimic problems, yeah, and here you write in age-related problems, mimic, age, and you put in, like for example, on your forehead you see horizontal lines, you don't like them, you would like to smooth it out. This is mimic related wrinkles, yeah, so you write it to this column, horizontal line on the forehead. Then you're going down, for example, you see that your upper eyelids became more sagging and they're going down, and this is age-related problems, yeah, so the things that which going down. Then you write in other part of your list, yeah, it's age-related problems, sagging, upper eyelids, and like this slowly you assessing all your face. And then, first of all, for you will be more understandable what is your real problem. So what make you upset? What make you like yourself less visually? I mean, and first of all, you can find out that it's not so much that you don't like. You have only few things that you can improve, and everything will be absolutely fine. You will be happy about yourself. And second of all, you will understand. You have very active mimic, for example, you're making a lot of grimaces, and this is the first thing with which you will need to work. Or, for example, you have a lot of tissues which already became sagging, and then it means that you will need to do some specific exercise to make it more elastic and to make your face more fit, so to lift up your face, to make a lifting effect. This is what I wanted to tell you today, because my video will be not long, that you will be able to watch it fast, and then you can watch it again because I will save it, and I hope that in the comments you will let me know how was your home task, how did you manage, what you find out maybe about your appearance, about your face. Maybe you already have some ideas. And then next Thursday in the same time I will also make the same live video, and we will speak in bigger details about how we need to deal with mimic related problems and imperfections. So I will tell you in more details how to work with each line, wrinkle, crease that you have on your face. I have a question. And dark circles, puffy under eyes. Yeah, puffiness, it's actually very big problems. Yes, swelling of the face. It's a big problem. A lot of women like facing this problem, and I think in 2 weeks in my plan I will make specific live when I will speak about this problem in details. So for now, try to assess your face, and don't miss my video when I will say in details about swelling of the face, puffiness under eyes, baggy eyes, and I will actually explain what is the plan, how to deal with these problems. And about dark circles, it's also very interesting and picky problem, so maybe even I will make separate video about this problem. Thank you so much too. Thank you. Okay, so I will wait your comments. Try to make this assessment. It's very interesting because as more we know about our appearance, about ourselves, about our body, more knowledge we have, more understanding we have, more keys we have to ourselves. So I think it's very useful. And another thing, that when you assessing your face, like often you looking in the mirror, first you can find more things that you will not like, but then with time, and actually I noticed this with all my clients, then with time you start liking yourself more. It's some magic happen also in the mental level. Of course we're working on the problems, of course you getting results, but it's also some like magic on the mental state, so you changing your attitude to yourself, and of course you improving it. So you will also notice some very interesting and magical stuff when you will start doing this. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I will wait your comments. Feel free to ask questions under this video. I'm saving it. And see you next Thursday for sure. We will speak about mimic related problems in details. Also follow our account, Instagram account, this one, GB Face School English, because we're posting also a lot of useful information here. And if you like have some specific requests to me, to my team, trainers from my team, please feel free to write in direct, because you always can order personalized face assessment and classes, everything accessible online from any country of the world. So we are ready to help. Thank you so much. Have a nice evening or day. I don't know where you are, and see you soon.